What's up, YouTube? I'm making this video right now just because a lot of YouTubers are having a problem where they can't access CAPCUT. They're getting an error because CAPCUT and TikTok was banned. I, with a lot of other people, did not know that CAPCUT was being banned. I just didn't pay attention, and it was owned by ByteDance. But I just found a solution to the problem. First of all, guys, the first thing that you need to do is go into your files and delete CAPCUT. It won't work unless you delete CAPCUT. You should be able to access your stuff still. You can't right now, but it should save. But in your files, what you want to do is you want to go on the left right here, you want to go to Windows, then you want to go to Users, and then you want to choose your user. For me, it says Andre, my name is Andrew, but then you want to go to App Data, you want to go to Local, and right here it should say ByteDance and CAPCUT, and what you want to do is you want to delete both of those. Once you delete both of those, then you want to come over here and you want to download it, and it should replace it with just those files, but it'll be older. This is the website right here. You want to download this. I chose this version, but I'm sure any of these work. This one right here works though. This is the most recent one that works that I know of. And so once you download CAPCUT, you just install it, you run it, and then from here on out, you can edit your videos. As you can see, the only thing that sucks is that there's no internet connection, so you can't access any effects or anything like that, any transitions, none of that. It really sucks, but for the people that make these kind of videos right here, this is a video I just edited.
There's no way he hits every shot.
So you can make it just like this. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy. It works. You just export it. Yeah, guys, if you want to continue to edit your videos just like this, that's how you do it. If you guys aren't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. We just hit 2,700 subs. Appreciate you guys for the support, and let me know in the comments if this video helped you. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.